Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to charge your Apple Watch SE 2nd generation. Let's get started. So, the only way how to charge this watch is to take original cable which comes with this device. This side would need to be attached to the back of your watch, just like this. And this Type-C side we would need to plug into any laptop or PC which is working. Or you can also take a power adapter which doesn't come with this device. So I will plug this side into my laptop to show you how the charging process looks. And you can see the charging animation on the screen and also the time which is green. That means that our watch is charging. While my watches are charging, let's talk about the battery life. How long it will take to charge them. So, to charge these watches from 0 to 80% will take about 1.5 hours, and from 0 to 100, 2.5 hours. And when I fully charge my watch, how long they will work? After full charge, your watch can work up to 18 hours, even if you are checking time, getting notifications, using applications, and even do 1 hour workout. And that's it! I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.